That's the little ball from your candy.
Boing. Boing.
Boing. Mommy might have to get a pair of scissors. Did you see how this works? It's like a spyglass, except it's a kaleidoscope.
Don't get that full of chocolate.
That sounds pretty.
No.
It's a harmonica.
What else in there?
What else is in there? That's just one other thing.
What's this?
I think I'm gonna get scissors to open that too.
What is inside it?
What does it look like?
What else?
What? What did he bring? What did he
What are those?
put in that jar? What is those? What are those?
Jelly beans.
Oh, yeah, you're right. They are jelly. Beautiful playing. Oh, that's some nice harmonica work.
Looks like a birthday cake.
It does look like a birthday cake.